We will now go through the process of installing and configuring optical drives with Keyfile. I've already attached my optical drive hardware to my server, and as you can see, the operating system has captured these devices and sees them as removable media drives. If I go into the properties for these drives, you can see I have two optical devices which each have a host adapter number, a target ID and a logical unit number. We need to know these identifiers for later on. So my identifier will be 010 and 060. I now go into the installation for the optical support layer. This wasn't installed in the original installation, but we can choose to install this as a separate option. I choose all the defaults and then select Keyfile optical drivers only. I need to browse to the correct directory because this is an individual option which has been chosen. And I go to the kf.serve directory. The optical software has now been installed, and it asks me if I wish to configure the optical devices on my system. I'm going to say yes to this. This opens up the Keyfile optical configuration software. This can be done either now or at a later point. Notice here that Keyfile has seen two optical devices. I'm going to add both of these optical devices to my system. If I had a jukebox, I would have to add the jukebox devices and configure them in a separate panel. I now select OK, and the Keyfile software sees the drives and attaches them to the Keyfile document server. Notice how it goes through each drive and takes control of these devices away from the operating system. I will now be asked to restart my computer.